Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Apple J. A. Puntilan.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yeah, separated.
How many kids you have?
Two.
How old are they?
15 years old and 14 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
7 years and 2 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Chunmun.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
750 square feet.
How many family members there?
3.
How many children?
1.
How old is now?
5 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock and then I start my work at 7:30 and automatic I prepare the breakfast of the kid and then my sir and my mom, and at 8:30 I bring the kid in the school, and then after that I go to the market. I go back home and then I prepare the lunch of the kid, and then 12 o'clock I pick up the kid in the school and then come back around 12:30, and then after the lunch time of the kid have some activities to attend, then go back home around 5 o'clock, and then I prepare the dinner, then 7:30 they have a dinner, then I sleep 10:30 to 11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.